It's summer vacation time and it's time to pack in a carry-on and still have plenty to wear. Let me show you how. Hot weather, the sun. Oh no, it's hot weather, sun weather, which means more skin, more reveal, summer dresses, swimsuits. Oh my goodness. And if you are like me and going through perimenopause or menopause, you know your body is changing at a rate. One day you feel fabulous, the next day not. And now you want to look and feel good on your vacay, but you don't know what to pack. You definitely don't even know what to wear on a normal day, never mind to pack, and especially not in a carry-on. So I'm gonna share with you my top tips to A, what to pack so that you look and feel fabulous, and then B, how to pack it so you don't have to lug a heavy suitcase. Worse, actually have to pay for a heavy suitcase, get there, and actually hardly wear anything that you paid to bring along with you for vacation. First thing you want to do is get a good sturdy suitcase. One that is going to be big enough to carry all that you need, but not too big that you can't take it as a carry-on. However, I do recommend that you get something that expands so that if you are going a trip where you end up buying some stuff, like when I go to Italy, and it does get beyond its capabilities of being a carry-on, that I can check it in. I don't have to go and buy a separate suitcase and have that additional cost. So I'll put the details in the product listing inside of the video so you can check it out. I love this one. The other thing to look at is the 4 wheels that spins easily is a big game changer. I mean huge. I don't know about you. I live in New York City, so I have to lug this to either the train or the airport, and just it being on 4 wheels and easily able to shift makes a massive difference. The other thing that you want to do is get a big tote bag that can go on top of your suitcase that fits over nicely. It's great if it's got that little slot at the back so it perfectly fits out. That way it's not going to slide around, but this is going to give you so much extra storage. Plus, little trick that I have found is that if the suitcase is expanding, because you need the expansion, it's less likely for the airport people to see that, notice that, and make you check it in. So now, before you start pulling clothes to pack or shopping for your vacay, do this. Think to yourself, how do you want to feel on vacation? How do you want to look? How do you want to feel? Because that's going to determine the best pieces for you to have in your suitcase. The other thing that you want to think about is, what kind of vacation is it? What are you going to be doing? So obviously, if you're going to be super active, then you're going to need hiking clothes. If you're going to be lazing at the pool, then you'll need different things. If you're going to Europe and you're doing some sightseeing, well, then we have a different situation because you're going to sometimes need to cover your arms and your knees if you're going into churches. So what is it that you're doing and how do you want to feel? Okay, now you're going to choose what you're going to wear. I find it really helpful to get a clothing rack. A clothing rack is going to make it possible for you to visually see what it is that you're going to pack and make sure that you don't miss anything out. You probably also have a ton of things in your closet. It may be like completely crazy and you don't even know what's in there. This is going to help you to be more clear. Or you may have a really organized closet, but you still have some things that are hanging up, some things that are folded, some things in drawers. And so this is going to, again, give you a visual of what it is that you're taking. Because believe you me, it's important to have that visual, because otherwise you often forget the most essential piece or something that you really need, like the right underwear or the right shoes or the something, okay? The other thing that you can do if you do not want to have a rack or you don't have one is lay it out on the bed. I must just warn you though, if you have cats like mine, my little Siamese, bloop, as soon as I put things on the bed, he is on them, boy. He is all over them. So just some considerations. Thus I have a rack. Now, the next thing you want to do is choose a color palette. This really narrows everything down. Doesn't mean that you have to completely stick to it. In that, you see, this here, most of it is kind of turquoise, blues, these kind of colors, navy. But then I have a little bit of a, purple and green. But this This dress has a purpose, and you'll see later in the video, I'm going to show you some of the outfits that I've actually put together. But this is going to give you an idea of what it is you're going to be taking and making sure that you get a lot of mix and match. Think mix and match, dress up and dress down. Again, it goes back to how do you want to feel and what are you going to be doing. So as an example, if you are going to be going touring and then you're going to go for a nice evening out, you want something that you can easily zhuzh up, but you can still dress for different things while you're on vacation. You don't want to have to hassle with a ton of laundry and having to take a ton of things or completely separate shoes. All of that could be quite a problem. Oh, and by the way, if you're new to me, I'm Tracy Gold. I am a menopause style expert, and this is the place that you come to for quick and easy styling tips that will have you looking fabulous and out of the door in 10 minutes, even if you're having a bloated day. So if you like these kind of videos, make sure to like and subscribe. But before we get to the outfits, I have to talk about a very, very important thing. Shoes, right? Like, what shoes are you gonna pack? Because the shoes are gonna take up a lot of room in your suitcase if you're taking a bunch. And you also need to make sure that they're gonna be comfortable for whatever it is that you're going to do. So I got these recently. I love them. They're super comfortable and they give me height. They're nude for my skin tone. Listen, it's all around what your skin tone is, but these are gonna go with everything. Plus, I can wear them while I'm traveling. They're that comfortable. Sure, they're not slip-on, although I bet if I loosen it a little bit, it probably would be a slip-on, but not that difficult to get in and out of, you know, to go through security. But these are going to be perfect for touring. They're going to be perfect for going to the beach. They're recycled plastic. They wash easily. They're super easy. But if I was going to pack these, this would take up way too much room and add extra weight to my suitcase, which I don't want. So then if you need another pair of shoes, which sometimes you do, then you can get something maybe similar, but a flat or a very lightweight, easy to pack in your suitcase. Big, heavy trainers, that kind of thing, way too much room. Now, let me show you how to pull the whole thing together. This is the Wear 3 Ways dress from my collection. And I absolutely love it because it caters for so many different needs. You can easily dress it up or dress it down. It'll go from touring out, you know, in Europe to cocktails in the evening, or beachside to cocktails in the evening. There is so much you can do with it, but it's also super flattering. It has a really nice shaping here in the waist, flares out in the hem, so it still gives you shape even if you're wearing it loose, or you can belt it to give it some more waist definition. It is also made out of breathable fabric. It is super easy to pack. It doesn't crease. It's a dream. Need a cover up for your upper arms? No problem. Here you go. You can get the magic top exactly to match it, and it will give you a fabulous look. Plus, this magic top creates a whole nother outfit. Either you can wear this as a little bit of a sexy look, if you're okay with showing some skin, or with both. And you can tie these at the bottom for a cheeky look. And you can wear this top with the navy pinstripe pants. Add the denim jacket and you've got this perfect travel look. This is one of my personal favorites, and I travel with it all the time because it has a little bit of a sleeve. So if I am cool on a train or a plane, it's got that coverage for me, and it's made out of breathable fabric, so I'm never going to be hot and flustered. Also, super flattering shape. It is a wrap dress. It's super adaptable to my body changes, and it also has a lot more wrap than the average wrap dress. Look at that. Normally, wrap dresses tend to be like this, and then they don't feel comfortable because they can fly open at any time. This is a very different shape made for all various different body shapes. Remember the dress I told you doesn't fit into the color palette, but I just have to take it? It's this one. And it is just so fabulous. I have to have this on vacation. It fits in with how I want to feel on vacation, and that's always important. However, it does match perfectly with my shoes, you see? So although it's not the same kind of coloring, it doesn't matter because it still works. Plus, it still goes perfectly with my denim jacket. Oh, and one thing I just wanted to mention is that the Tracy Gold New York collection is especially designed to adapt to your body changes during perimenopause and menopause. So go to tracygoldnewyork.com for more details. For two other little bonus tips, when you are choosing your accessories and your sunglasses, also make sure that it's going to go with everything. So as an example, these sunglasses are nude, and so they'll go with everything. My sun hat also will go with everything. These statement earrings, now this will take my whole look from day to night in an instant. So hold out a little bit later because I'm gonna pack all of these pieces in and show you and prove to you that all of this can go in a carry-on. Make sure that you have all the underwear that you need. Minimize your cosmetics and your makeup. This is what I like to do. I put it in a see-through container or bag, and what I do is I collect these little sample kind of jars. Like I got this was for supplements, right? This is great because often I don't want to have to lug around the whole supplement, like, you know, container. That's not going to work. This was also another sample. So sometimes when you get these clear things, just wash them out, keep them inside of your travel bag so that when you're going traveling, you've got the decanted products already there, or you have the containers that you can decant them into. Again, get very clear on what you really need and what you're really going to use, because anything else is going to take up space in your suitcase and add unnecessary weight. The other thing you want to do is minimize your hair routine. Okay, for me, that's not so easy. By the way, let me know in the comments if you want me to do a thing on my hair, because it is a little bit more of a thing. However, like one of the things I've realized is don't take a hairdryer with you. Most places have got a hairdryer unless you're doing that very sleek look. And listen, if you're traveling to Europe, really don't take a hairdryer because your hairdryer is not going to work. Even with the right connection, it's the wrong power. However, this is not negotiable for me. So this is my GHD wand. I use this because I have really strange hair. I have curly on the bottom and straight on the top. And so this helps me just to keep my hair styled and looking nice. I don't have to do it that often, but this is important for me. And so I will always make sure, because I could get stuck in the rain. I could get all that kind of stuff. And again, like I travel mostly for work, so I need to look my best, not just vacation time, but depending on how you want to look and feel, just reduce it. Like don't take 3 brushes, take 1. Don't take 5 products, take 2. You know, just reduce it so that you can just enjoy and not lug around a whole bunch of stuff that you don't actually need. And here you can see all of that has fit into my tiny little suitcase. I am wearing my jacket and my pants and a top. Same things I'm going to be taking with me, the shoes as well, but this just shows you, look, there you go. There's all my cosmetics, my hair stuff, my makeup, and for my clothes. Even space for my underwear and pajamas to fit inside, and still a little space for extras. So you see, girlfriend, it is completely possible to look and feel fabulous on vacation and pack lightly so you're not lugging stuff around. Now, if you want to learn how to do this, not only just for vacation style, but for your life in general, down below are my personal styling sessions. They are available online, so it doesn't matter where in the world you are or in person in New York City. See below. All the products that I've listed here, if they are available, will be linked inside of the actual video and below the video. You're welcome.